Hi, everyone. Welcome to my class. I wanted to take this opportunity to welcome each of you to class and hope you truly enjoy this class and will learn a whole bunch of things in this class. I not only want you to learn a lot of things, but I also want to make sure that you can apply the things that you have learned. So we will use a lot of real life situations and experiences that I have gone through myself in my professional and personal life. And through our discussion and live chats, I would also like to hear what you have experienced in your personal and professional life as well. So I wanted to start off by letting you know that our live chat is on Wednesdays at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if there's any changes to that, please check the announcement page, and I'll also send all kinds of emails and announcements if there's a change to that time or date as well. But usually it's going to be on Wednesdays at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can reach me through phone. My phone number is 317-654-3319. You can text me is the preference, or you can call me, and you can also send me an email. You can also post your questions in the Kaiser Blackboard group as well, and I will be more than happy to answer your questions. Now, I like to respond to you within 24 hours of you posting your question. So if for whatever reason I do not see your message or do not get your message, please send me a quick text message to let me know that you did send me a message with some questions or concerns. Okay. Now, for the live chat, I like to keep my live chat quite interactive. I don't like reading the PowerPoint. I call it Death by PowerPoint. I like to make it a collaborative session. So, and I also like to include personal experiences and real life situations to enhance your knowledge on what we are learning. So this is accomplished by you sharing what you know and also having a discussion, because it's going to be very important that we collaborate with each other and learn from each other so that we can understand how to apply some of the concepts that we learn in this class. So that collaboration is going to be very, very crucial for all of us. Now, if you attend the live chat, there's another caveat to that. You also receive an extra credit points. With this extra credit points, you can get up to 5 extra credit points for attending the live chat for the whole hour. And you can also get extra credit points if you are not able to attend the live chat. I actually record the live chat and you can view the recording as well. Now, the requirement is if you do view the recording, I need you to send me a quick email with a short paragraph that explains what was covered in the live chat. And then once I get it, I will take a look and make sure that everything is okay. And then I will respond to you to let you know that you have received your 5 extra credit points. So please, I encourage you to attend the live chat. Not only do you get extra credit points, but students who attend the live chat always, I have not had any of them that attended live chat that does not get an A in this class, because they do get a lot of information and a lot of guidance on the materials that we cover as well. The next thing I want to talk about is the discussion. You have discussion every week. You need to make your initial post by Thursday of every week. And I do read every single discussion post. And I will respond to your initial discussion post as well. Now, you will notice that sometimes in the discussion post, I will say, great job. And other times I might also ask you another question, or I'll ask you to elaborate on something. Please pay attention to those questions, because that just means that I want to get a little bit more information on the discussion questions that you were answering, and maybe you were missing certain things, and I wanted to get a little bit more knowledge from you for your understanding. So make sure that you answer those questions that I post for you in the discussion post. Now, even if you answer my question, you still have to respond to 2 of your classmates' posts. And this can be done on 2 different days. Total, you need to respond 3 different days of the week. So for example, if you post your initial discussion on Wednesday, and then you can respond to another student on Friday and perhaps another student on Sunday. And maybe Friday you also respond to my question on top of the response that you give to another student. So you need to respond to at least 3 different days of the week to get full credit. The other thing about the discussion is that I need you to make sure that you include in-text citations and references in all the initial posts. All the initial discussion, you need to have in-text citations and references. These are 2 different things. Remember that. In-text citations are within the context of the writing, and then the reference is at the very end of the page that you have the references. Your textbook is a great resource as a reference. So make sure that the in-text citation, which is in parentheses within the text, you include that in every initial post. Write out the questions individually and answer them individually as well. Okay? And make sure that all the discussion for that week is completed by that Sunday of that week. Next, you have case assignments. Case assignments are actually due on Sunday. Again, write out the questions, answer them individually, include in-text citations and references as well. And I don't have a minimum requirement for your discussion or your case assignments. I'm looking for the answer. I'm not looking for length, but I'm looking for substance. So make sure that you are answering them correctly. Again, case assignment, use in-text citations and references as well. Then you have the final project. Pay special attention to what the requirements are. Some classes, for example, leadership class, will require that you have a rough draft that is due on Wednesday of week 3. And then your final project is actually due on week 4 Wednesday. And then you have other classes where you have, it might not have a rough draft, but will have the final project due on Wednesday of week 4. And some will be on Saturdays. So please make sure that you're reading the requirements for the final project and how many pages and so forth, and see the due dates and send them and post them on those by those specific dates. The other thing is I don't accept any late assignments. However, I do want you to be able to contact me and let me know if something comes up. Life happens to the best of us. Sometimes, it could be a week that you are working a lot of overtime. You might have a sick child or something comes up, because life happens all the time. The most important thing is to go ahead and contact me. Send me a message, text me, call me, and let me know. And I am more than willing to work with you as long as you're communicating with me what is going on. Now, all your assignments, make sure they are done in APA 7th edition. This is the newest edition that we have. I have several videos for you that shows how to do in-text citations and references in the 7th edition. There's also another video that shows what are some of the most prominent changes in APA 7th edition. So please pay attention to all of that and view the view the videos. And if you should have any questions, I am more than happy to help you. And do not forget that you also have the writing studio at your campus, or you also have the writing studio for online students as well. So use those resources. You have the library. If you're not familiar on how to use the online library, let me know. I'll be more than happy to walk you through it and show you how to use the online library and get access to ProQuest so you can get books and published articles for your references. Pay attention as well for the final project, how many references you need. I highly encourage you to use the textbook as one of the reference, and the rest of it, you need to make sure that you're using a scholarly article or a textbook. Google and Wikipedia is not acceptable. So if you have questions about that, again, I cannot emphasize enough the importance of getting in touch with me so I can help you. I want to make sure that you're doing really well in this class. I want to make sure you're not only passing this class, that you understand this class, and also meeting your goals to achieve the long-term goal that you have of getting your degree. So whatever it is that I can do to help you, please let me know, and I'll be more than happy to help you with that. And again, welcome to our class. Hope to have some fun. Hope to see some great discussions in the class. And don't be afraid to give your own opinions and experiences in this discussion as well. So I look forward to seeing all of you. And once again, welcome. And do not hesitate to get in touch with me if you need some help. Thank you, everyone.